Hi guys, hope you are doing well and welcome back with another video. So today we will learn how do we bank reconciliation in our bread books. So first of all, we need to enter all those entries for that period which we want to reconcile. Like I want to reconcile my December 2023, then I need to enter all the bank receipts and bank payments of December 2023. Here you can see I entered all the receipts for 2023 of the December. And here you can see in payment section that all the payments for December 2023 is already posted. If your all the entries of your period is entered, then what you need to do to go your banking section, and here you can see different options. Here is the option of bank reconciliation, and here you can see my bank current account is reconciled up to 30 November 2023, and now I want to reconcile my bank current account up to December 2023. Then what I need to do? I need to do to press on new. Here I need to enter statement date, which is December 31st, 2023, and here you need to select the bank account which you want to reconcile. I want to reconcile my bank current account, and it automatically put the opening statement balance. What you need to do? You need to do enter closing statement balance, and which is 1505.24. After that you need to press on save button, and here you can see all the receipts and payments is showing for December 2023. If you entered all the payments and receipts of December 2023, then you just need to select all the transactions. Here you can see there is no difference anymore. So then you need to click on bank reconciliation complete, and then you have to go below and press the save button. Now here you can see it is showing that our bank current account is now reconciled up to 31st December 2023, and here you can see its status which is showing yes, it is reconciled now. So that is all the procedure that how you can do bank reconciliation in BrightBook's account. I hope this video will helpful, and if you want to get more information about BrightBook's account, then you need to go our YouTube channel and subscribe our channel, and in my channel you can see more details and more videos about BrightBook's account. Thank you.